Today, I'll show you exactly how they're built step by step.
Its journey from raw metal. Gigantic coils of aluminum and steel arrive at the factory from across the world.
Ready for the next one? All right, let's go.
In the giga casting area, molten aluminum enters powerful high-pressure presses. Within moments, in the stamping shop, are shaped into car panels with tremendous force. Each strike of the hydraulic.
Here, hundreds of robotic arms move in perfect rhythm. Sparks illuminate the hall as the stamped panels are welded in.
The body shell is clean, dipped in anti-corrosion baths, and carefully drained.
Dashboard components, bumpers, and interior trims begin here. Injection molding machines melt plastic pellets and shape them with exceptional detail.
Inside the assembly line, the cabin starts to come alive. Technicians and robots install the minimalist dashboard, the center.
The panoramic glass roof and windshield are lifted using precision suction robots. Each piece is positioned and sealed with millimeter-level accuracy. Next, the wheels are mounted and tightened using robotic torque tools. The doors are carefully aligned, tested, and calibrated.
Acceleration looks good, stability is within parameters.